VolFeF Index. The VolFeF Index is a stock market index of volatility and market sentiment for U.S. Treasury bonds caused by tweets by President Donald Trump. Bloomberg News observed VolFeF was created due to the statistical significance of Trump tweets on bond prices. ABC News Online posited VolFeF could help analyze interest rate risk in the face of unpredictable activity on social media by Trump. Etymology. The name VolFeF references the covfefe tweet by Trump. Volume stands for volatility. Creation. VolFeF was launched by JPMorgan Chase on September 9, 2019. Methods. In forming the basis of the methodology behind VolFeF, JPMorgan Chase used software to analyze the corpus of Trump's tweets. 14,000 tweets were used in the analysis to form the initial projections for their software. Their analysts determined that there were direct correlations between tweets and subsequent market movements. These market movements were most notably evidenced when the tweet specifically references financial matters including the U.S. Federal Reserve. The tweets issued during the working day of the New York Stock Exchange were more likely to cause a change in market sentiment. However, it was noted that the tweets can come at any time of day and thus have an effect on markets around the world. Keywords in tweets often include China, billion, products, Democrats, great, dollars, tariffs and trade. Analysis. Bloomberg News noted, JPMorgan's VolFeF Index, named after Trump's mysterious covfefe tweet from May 2017, suggests that the president's electronic musings are having a statistically significant impact on Treasury yields. ABC News Online commented JPMorgan created VolFeF to measure how much impact Mr. Trump's unpredictable tweets have on U.S. interest rates.